not a time lapse. That's just how much lightning is happening.
Crazy. Yeah. So this is not a time lapse. This is real. I've never seen this much lightning in my life before. This is crazy.
Hello boss, salam alaikum. Me today no come job no coming today. Me water too much road, water too much, water yes, water too much road no job coming today. Yes, today no me job. Water road, water too much me water, road no coming. Gari water stop. Inside water road gari stop. Water me no coming job boss, no coming today. Yes, no cut salary me cut you, no cut.